So, got a package in. This is the, hold on, get my knife out. This is the DC Custom from Harley Benton. Waiting for this one. Alright. We're out. Oh, it's upside down. No problem, no problem. Also should have a strap in there somewhere. Okay. Oh, there's a strap. See it? Way in the back over there. Alright. Let's see what we got here. God damn. How the fuck does Harley Benton do this? Like, they managed to ship these things with the bare minimum of foam covering. But it works. I have to say it works. Get the key right there. Okay. Hold on, bud. Get this off. All right. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Ooh, there she is. She is pretty. That's a pretty girl. Oh, wait. All right. Gotta put the phone down for a second. Oh, god damn. Holy fucker face. Once again, Harley Benton does not let me down. Well, it remains to be seen. Let me go ahead and get this thing plugged in and take a closer look at it. As far as I can tell, there's no cracks in it. Got some Grover tuners. That tuner's a little crooked, but that's not, I don't think that's a super big deal. Let me see something. Everything looks good. Okay.